No one is really hurt, you know me. You cannot see the hurt, you know. Actually, I just tried this before when I was just grade 1. I mean my feet and my hands. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but that's okay. I will just do it. You sure? Yeah. Hihihi. I know what I'm gonna do.
Mami daddy tawagan nila. Mami daddy. Pero yung dating, yung ninang ni Benpe. Kasi ka-work nila dati sa trabaho ni Alan yung dalawa na yun yung jowa na yun.
Can you just leave, please?
Ano to? Ang tawagan nila? Mama at Papa. Tapos ngayon naman sa bago, Mami daddy. Kaya tawa yung mga
Let's
ninang ni Benpe.
eat this one.
May resemblance din talaga. Parang tapos yung naging jowa
I'm sorry.
may resemblance din
Just the
yung dating
Alvin.
nakalibin.
Oh my gosh, I don't like that.
Tapos, number 1 basher pa niya ako. Yung ano to, yung parang naglagas kaya ganyan. Ang gagawin ko noon, magre-react ako ng haha.
I hope I have a mother, but it's died. Oh, it's okay.
Hindi niya pinopost yung mga anak niya,
It's okay.
post niya. May award
It's okay.
Ano kanina yung mga anak
I
niya?
forgot something. Yes, I forgot
So,
something.
kanina yung mga anak niya yung mga award. Ang post niya, alam mo yung break, parang wala kayo award. Congrats, Jassy. Yun lang.
What do you pick? That one. It's okay. What are you just doing? No food. No food. Oh,
Kaya piling ko si Alan may Facebook.
that's okay. Just stay there. Next, I guess.
Post din si Gracia? Hindi. Si Gracia nag-delivery pag hindi sa bilong.
Hi, what's your hair?
Sino ay nag-post?
Okay, my ears. Oh, what's your hair? What's your hair? Wait, I forgot something. One. And that's two.
Diba?
Two.
May saltik din na kaibigan na yun. Parang sila din. Pati na may isa pa to. Oy,
I don't want that. I don't want it. Please don't be just angry to us.
May patay ka dyan mo. Kita mo? Hindi niya pinapansin sabi ng baby.
Let's hear for a child. This franchise is really fun. It cannot really.
Dati kakatuloy ka ni...
I hate it. Do you hate it?
Ano na yun? Go ko kayo ng dead mo. Hindi kaya ni Gracia yung dead.
I know. Let me just. What's your hair?
Kasi wala ka nagdino mo yun.
My ears. Okay. Just get this in your ears. Okay. Can you hear me? Yeah. You're done. Thank you. And thank you for that.
Kasabayan ni mama yan. Ito,
And why you're happy?
Alam mo,
Next, I guess.
binablog niya. Hindi ko iba yung
Confection. Bye-bye.